So welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to give you a demo on chain operation. So here I'm going to explain the chain operation and difference between SETLL, read SETLL with read E with respect to chain, right? So here I created one file pgm to pf having three fields, and key field is the id field. So I have created this file using create pf command, or you can take 14 there, and I'll be showing the data inside this file. So id 123 is present in this file. So now I'm going to perform the chain operation on this file. So chain operation is basically doing SETLL and read E, the first read operation. So the result we obtained from that SETLL and read E is same as the chain operation. So chain corresponds to SETLL and read E. So there is no difference between SETLL and read E with respect to the chain operation. Now this is a program where I defined that file input mode. The file is fully procedural and the file is externally described, you can see, and the file is a keyed file. So I mentioned those things here: K for keyed file, E for externally described, I for input file, and F for fully procedural file. These are the local variables which corresponds to the file field, and I initialize LID as 1 since I need to chain on that file using this LID. So I directly perform chain operation. So I also can uh, do SETLL LID pgm2pf and then read E LID pgm2pf. So currently, for now, I'm commenting this line. So this is the comment for now. So either I use SETLL or read E, means doing the setting the pointer on that key value before that key value and then reading that record, or directly doing the chain operation. So SETLL with read E doesn't have any difference with respect to the chain operation. So I'm doing the chain with that ID. So I'm directly looking up for that record, that particular record with ID ID value 1, and if that record is found, then if inside if I'm fetching the details of name. I'm fetching the details means name and age from the file field and to our local program variables lname and lh, and at last the last record indicator sets to 1 and the program ends. So if I compile this program using debug view as a start source, so this program is compiled successfully. Now if I do strdbg, or you can say debugging this program, so pgm2 set the breakpoint at line number 1, then call pgm2. So I am going to chain for id value 1 in this file. So this is pgm1pf, so I'm looking into this file. So what it does, so it's basically set this pointer before this value 1, before this value, and then read this value, read equal. So basically this is chain operation. So I'm fetching the details of this record. So the name will be fetched as Amit and each will be fetched as 30. Yeah. So if record is found, so the record is found successfully. That's why we came inside that if and end if. So we fetch the name as Amit and age as 30, and the last record indicator sets to on, right? So in case if I call it again, and I'll be initializing eval lid as, for example, 3, and then I'll be getting the details of Aman. So if I look into the file, I can see that for ID3 the name is Aman and the age is 45, right? So if I do press F10 again, I can see that age is 45, right? So this is the chain operation, which is for looking up for a particular record using some key. Now if I'm going to change this program, so for example I'm commenting this, so I'm just giving you the demo if there is any difference between them. So I'll be saying that there is no difference between them, so I'm just removing the comment. So both are working same. Either you can use chain or you can use SETLL and redo operation. So I have commented this chain LID PGM2 PF line, and now I'm using this line, these lines, right? So I'm going to compile this program again, page down, then debug view set as source, compile this program. So the program compiles successfully. Just do end debug, then strdbg again, pgm2, just debug the source. Set the breakpoint at line number 1 and call this program simply. So if I can see that I'm doing the SETLL on the ID value 1 on this file, then I'm reading the record. So read will fetch the name Amit and age as 30, which is correct. If I call this again and if I eval lid as 3, for example, so I'm getting the details with respect to the ID3, which is Aman or 45 age, right? So here we can see that SETLL read E in combination will work same as chain operation. So chain operation corresponds to the SETLL and read E, means setting the pointer before that key value and then reading that record. So that's the thing in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.